When you think of an all-inclusive luxury escape in Mexico, the Hotel Rio Palace Cabo San Lucas consistently rises to the top of travelers' wish lists. Perched on the stunning Baja California peninsula where the desert meets the sea, this upscale resort promises a blend of modern comfort, exceptional service, and that signature Mexican warmth that keeps guests coming back year after year. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or simply need to disconnect from the daily grind, this property delivers an experience that balances relaxation with just enough adventure to keep things interesting. Let's dive deep into what makes this resort a standout choice for your next vacation. The accommodations at Hotel Rio Palace Cabo San Lucas are designed with both comfort and style in mind, offering guests a true taste of luxury without feeling overly formal or stuffy. The resort features several room categories to suit different travel styles and group sizes, ensuring that whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with the whole family, you'll find a space that feels just right. Standard rooms provide a generous amount of space with contemporary furnishings that blend neutral tones with pops of color inspired by the surrounding landscape. Each room comes equipped with a furnished balcony or terrace, many offering breathtaking views of the Sea of Cortez, where you can watch the sunrise with your morning coffee or unwind with a cocktail as the sun dips below the horizon. The beds are exceptionally comfortable, dressed in high-quality linens that make it genuinely difficult to leave in the morning. Climate control is efficient and quiet, which is essential when you're staying in a warm climate and want to sleep comfortably through the night. Modern amenities include flat-screen televisions with satellite channels, a well-stocked minibar that's replenished daily as part of the all-inclusive package, and a liquor dispenser featuring premium spirits so you can mix your own drinks without leaving your room. The bathrooms are spacious and well-appointed, featuring both a bathtub and a separate shower, double vanities in many room types, and complimentary toiletries that smell fantastic and leave your skin feeling pampered. For those seeking an elevated experience, the suite options take luxury up several notches. Junior suites offer even more living space with separate seating areas, perfect for families or couples who appreciate having room to spread out. Some suite categories include additional perks like enhanced minibar selections, upgraded bath amenities, and even whirlpool tubs on private terraces where you can soak under the stars. The resort also offers swim-up suites, a feature that's become increasingly popular among guests who love the idea of stepping directly from their patio into a dedicated pool area. Imagine starting your day with a morning swim without ever leaving your private space, or cooling off in the afternoon without the walk to the main pool area. For families traveling with children, connecting rooms are available, providing parents with their own space while keeping the little ones close by. The resort has also made efforts to ensure accessibility, with rooms designed to accommodate guests with mobility challenges, featuring wider doorways, roll-in showers, and other thoughtful touches that make the space comfortable for everyone. Housekeeping maintains these rooms to an impressive standard, with daily service that includes fresh towels, bed making, and restocking of amenities, ensuring your space always feels fresh and welcoming when you return from a day of activities. Dining at Hotel Rio Palace Cabo San Lucas is an experience in itself, with the resort offering an impressive array of restaurants and bars that cater to virtually every culinary preference. The all-inclusive concept here truly shines, as guests have access to multiple dining venues without needing to worry about additional costs or making difficult choices about where to splurge. The main buffet restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with an enormous selection that changes daily, featuring international favorites alongside Mexican specialties. Breakfast is particularly impressive, with everything from made-to-order omelets and fresh fruit to pastries, cereals, and hot dishes that fuel you up for a day of adventure. The lunch and dinner buffets showcase themed nights, allowing guests to explore different cuisines throughout their stay. Beyond the buffet, the resort features several specialty restaurants that require reservations but are included in your all-inclusive package, making them an excellent value. The Italian restaurant serves up classic dishes with authentic flavors, from perfectly al dente pasta to wood-fired pizzas with creative toppings. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, with attentive service that makes you feel like you're dining at a family-owned trattoria rather than a resort restaurant. For those who crave Asian flavors, the fusion restaurant blends Japanese, Chinese, and Thai influences into a menu that's both adventurous and approachable. Fresh sushi, flavorful stir-fries, and aromatic curries are prepared with skill and presented beautifully. The Mexican restaurant celebrates local cuisine with dishes that go beyond the typical resort fare, featuring regional specialties and traditional preparations that highlight the rich culinary heritage of the area. Grilled meats, fresh seafood, handmade tortillas, and complex mole sauces demonstrate the kitchen's commitment to authenticity. The steakhouse is a carnivore's dream, serving premium cuts cooked to perfection with classic sides and rich sauces. The ambience here is more upscale, making it ideal for special occasions or romantic dinners. Each specialty restaurant has its own distinct personality and decor, which adds variety to your dining experiences throughout the week. The bars scattered around the property ensure you're never far from a refreshing beverage, whether you're craving a classic margarita, a cold beer, or a creative cocktail crafted by skilled bartenders. The pool bar is naturally one of the most popular spots, allowing you to order drinks without leaving the water. The lobby bar provides a more relaxed atmosphere for evening cocktails and conversation, while the sports bar offers a casual vibe with big screens showing international sporting events. For those who enjoy late-night snacks, there's also access to lighter fare during off-hours, ensuring you won't go hungry no matter when your appetite strikes. The quality of beverages is notably higher than at many all-inclusive resorts, with recognizable premium brands available rather than generic alternatives. Coffee lovers will appreciate the espresso and cappuccino available at various locations throughout the day, and the fresh fruit juices served at breakfast are genuinely refreshing. The service across all dining venues is consistently friendly and efficient, with staff members who remember returning guests and make an effort to accommodate dietary restrictions or special requests whenever possible. The pool and beach facilities at Hotel Riu Palace Cabo San Lucas are among its most celebrated features, offering guests multiple options for soaking up the sun and enjoying the stunning coastal setting. The main pool is an expansive, multi-level affair that serves as the social heart of the resort during daylight hours. With plenty of depth variation, it accommodates both serious swimmers and those who prefer to float leisurely while chatting with fellow travelers. The pool deck is generously sized, lined with comfortable loungers that are cushioned and adjustable, allowing you to find your perfect position for tanning or reading. Palapas provide shaded areas for those who prefer to avoid direct sun, and the poolside service means you can order food and drinks without ever leaving your spot. The atmosphere around the main pool is lively without being overwhelming, with music playing at a reasonable volume and occasional activities organized by the entertainment team. For those seeking a quieter experience, the resort also features an adults-only pool area that maintains a more tranquil vibe, perfect for couples or solo travelers who want to relax without the energy of families with children nearby. This secondary pool is smaller but equally well-maintained, with its own bar service and a more intimate setting. The infinity edge design creates a stunning visual effect, appearing to merge with the ocean beyond. Now, it's important to address the beach situation at this property, as it's one aspect that sometimes surprises first-time visitors to Cabo. The resort sits on a beautiful stretch of coastline with dramatic rock formations and crashing waves that create spectacular views and photo opportunities. However, like most beaches on the Pacific side of the Cabo San Lucas area, the ocean here features strong currents and powerful waves that make swimming unsafe for most of the year. The beach is perfect for walking, sunbathing, and taking in the natural beauty, but guests should not expect to swim in the ocean as they might at Caribbean resorts. The resort is very clear about these conditions, with flags and signage indicating water safety, and lifeguards are present to monitor the situation. For guests who want to experience swimmable beaches, the hotel can arrange transportation to nearby Medano Beach, which is sheltered and safe for swimming. Many guests actually appreciate this setup, as it means the beach at the resort remains less crowded, providing a peaceful spot for morning walks or sunset watching. The sound of the waves is incredibly soothing, and there's something mesmerizing about watching the power of the Pacific Ocean from the comfort of a beach lounger. The resort has made the most of this beach situation by ensuring the pool facilities are exceptional, giving guests plenty of opportunities for water-based relaxation. Beach service includes towel stations, so you don't need to bring anything from your room, and staff members regularly circulate to offer assistance or take drink orders. The sand is clean and well-maintained, and the natural rock formations create interesting landscapes that make the beach feel more dramatic and memorable than a typical flat, sandy shore. Activities at Hotel Riu Palace Cabo San Lucas ensure that guests who want more than just poolside relaxation have plenty of options to stay active and entertained throughout their stay. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and strength training equipment, allowing you to maintain your workout routine even while on vacation. The facility is air-conditioned and spacious, with equipment that's well-maintained and sufficient for the resort's size, meaning you rarely have to wait for machines even during peak hours. Large windows provide natural light and views, making your workout feel less like a chore and more like a pleasant part of your day. For those who prefer outdoor activities, the resort offers tennis courts with quality surfaces and equipment available for guest use. Whether you're an experienced player or just looking to hit some balls around for fun, the courts provide a great way to burn energy and enjoy some friendly competition. The sports and activities team organizes various recreational options throughout the day, including beach volleyball, water aerobics in the pool, and dance classes that teach everything from salsa to traditional Mexican folk dances. These activities are optional and designed to be fun rather than intimidating, with instructors who encourage participation regardless of skill level. Non-motorized water sports are available at the beach, including kayaks and boogie boards, though as mentioned earlier, the ocean conditions limit when and how these can be safely used. The resort also arranges excursions to nearby attractions, from snorkeling trips to boat tours of the famous Arch of Cabo San Lucas, sunset cruises, and adventure activities like ziplining or ATV tours through the desert landscape. These excursions do come at an additional cost beyond the all-inclusive package, but they are conveniently bookable through the resort's tour desk, and the staff can provide recommendations based on your interests and fitness level. Evening entertainment varies throughout the week, with live music performances, themed shows, and occasional performances by local dance troupes or musicians that showcase Mexican culture. The quality of entertainment is generally good, providing enjoyable options for after-dinner activities without feeling obligatory. Some guests enjoy participating in the evening activities, while others prefer to simply relax with drinks and conversation, and both approaches are perfectly acceptable. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.